Actually got a sign there, the Dell. I believe that's the Dell Stadium. Never been to it, but I see it signposted all around Broyle Hill and around Merry Hill. And you got a bench here. It's been there some time actually. Named after Alan Perry, 1930 to 1995. I remember 1995, it was a good year. You're at school, you're enjoying things, and you got your mates. How times change, don't they, in the world? And of course you can see a bit more extraction from the ground there, where the coal was dug out. Again, this is the Fens pool. It's very windy today when you come up high anyway. Plenty ducks and seagulls. You can actually see the ground where it actually seems darker down this area, and that was probably because of the coal extraction. I suppose it took a while before nature did actually take its course to recapture this land. There's another pool. It's quite a large area actually, this. It's actually larger than it looks. If you actually look on a map or on Google Maps, it looks massive. And I imagine some of these older trees was here when the Earl of Dudley was doing his thing. If you actually look across the pools, this is the Fens pool, back to there. You can see on the edges, they do actually look like them beaches. I suppose they are classed as beaches, I imagine, but yeah, it's not like being by the sea, but you get the idea. And if you actually come to Dudley, be very aware that Dudley is one of those places in England that is very hilly, and yeah, this is one of those places.